This is a tutorial on how to take solar pictures of the sun through a small telescope and a camera. So first thing is, don't get off this video, don't watch this, you shouldn't know how to do this. Okay, I made the first part of the video very confusing and boring so that most people will go away, and this video will only be watched by the people who know the risks. The risk is you go blind. A small lens can burn a paper. A big ass mirror like this will burn your eye. Okay, charcoal ho jayega. So don't. But if you have experience with the telescopes, I can do this because I have experience with the telescopes. I'll tell you how. So when the sun is rising or setting, the 5-10 minutes window, if you have thick enough layer of atmosphere, and if you live at an altitude, you will have that. Okay, not too much. Like if you live at a very high altitude, like from Kokankada, there is no horizon, there is no rock horizon, there is only atmospheric horizon. Sun just disappears into whiteness. It doesn't go behind anything because you see atmosphere of the earth. Let me not get distracted, but you need atmosphere to filter the sun a lot. So atmosphere will mostly filter towards the bluer side, so you get the sun is white but it seems red in the morning. And get a solar filter. Okay, don't do this if you are interested in serious solar photography. Okay, and then you can point it at it and then look at it for a little bit. I mean, you will know. But if you have experience, you will know that even the full moon can hurt your eyes. So the sun, don't even think about looking at it for too long. You see the uchal pachal on the surface of the sun, you see the flares jumping around, and like there's a lot of surface activity. That was one of the magnificent experiences, and that's why I'm making the tutorial. Okay, so I held the phone handheld like this, but you can get a clip like this, a phone holder you can get online. Okay, so I took a video but 11 seconds, and then after I couldn't hold my breath. So what was it? Yeah, so after you take the video, you stabilize it on Google Photos, and then I edited it in InShot. There is a filter called Memo that worked very well, and then you tweak the adjustments and then you sharpen it, and then you stabilize it again. That's what I did. Okay. Wait, there is more. The sun can, even though it's a mirror, so the refracting telescopes, the ones with lenses, they can tolerate the heat more if the glass is of good quality than reflecting ones, because reflecting ones have coatings on the mirror, protective coatings, and they can melt with the heat. And if you are using a filter, that can get very hot and crack. Don't ask me how I know this. And just heating up all this is not a good idea. So when the sun starts, when you start feeling it on your skin, that's when the things have gotten even much hotter on the inside, and the filter, that coating will melt and the drops will fall on the, it won't be, your telescope won't be at such an angle. So but for a while, after the first 5 minutes where you can't look at it with the eyes, you can take a projection on a paper and have a camera situated like focusing on that paper, and that paper should be, well, you should match the contrast. Like there should be darkness in the room for you to see things happening on that paper.